Hey, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, Ikaize Maureen, my name is Maureen. It's the YouTube babe right here. Drum rolls, ta 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 ta, and it's time to style this bandana like a so rocky. Well, basically, all you need for this particular style is a bandana, energy, and nothing else, just a bandana. This one will just be a quick one, so just pick up your bandana, and as we dive into that, please, I really appreciate it if you like this video or commented down below or shared out there, tell someone about this channel. Also make sure that you do subscribe. That would really mean the world to me. Anyways, and let's dive into it. As I told you, this one is a short one and a quick one. So basically, if you have your hair up like this, you'll need like to maybe drop it. Drop your hair to the back for ease, for what, to make the style easier. Anyways, the next thing you'll need to do is just pick up your bandana like this, pick this end and then drop it, not all the way to this tip but somewhere towards the center to get something like that. That size, this is determined by the size of your hair, the amount of hair you have. If you have too much, you do not have too much hair, maybe your bald, you can always push it towards the other tip, but if you have lots of hair, you can always pull it to that point. The next thing is you just place it onto your head like that, then make a knot, but just don't do it the usual way in which you normally do it, that we leave it lying like that. Tuck in these other sides, okay, and there you have it. It's as easy as ABCD. Okay, please make sure you like the video, shares out there. You can always talk to me in the comment section too. You see what I just did there? You always, okay, it doesn't do it that way, but you can always find a way to make it look sexier. You can make folds instead of here at the top. You can always make folds on the sides like that, and voila, there you have it. Remember, we have done so many tutorials. I'll be placing a bonus link in the description. Check out, oh my god, this is coming out. Check out in the description an extra link to more bandana tutorials and amazing tutorials that are coming way ahead, so make sure that you subscribe. So that's how we look. Thank you for watching this far. If you watched this far, I love you and appreciate you. See you on the next one. And to watch more of my videos, just click right here. I'll just check the description.